So before we permanently set the neck, we want to do a dry fit of the neck. The reason we do this is to check the scale length of the guitar, check the neck angle, and also check the neck alignment. Before we insert our neck, it's important that we take a lot of care as we're pushing the neck into the neck cavity. The reason for this is, look at the edges of the neck cavity here. You realize on one side it's really quite thin and very easily chipped. So to avoid that, what we really want to do is insert the heel in first like so, and then push down. This is a good tight fitting neck.